If you love to take selfies, create videos on your own, you can use your S Pen as a camera shutter, remote control, and take pictures, videos, and a lot of other functions on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now for that, first, go ahead, take off the S Pen from your phone. Now after that, let me show you some S Pen settings. From Settings to Advanced Features, enter S Pen. Now first of all, make sure Air Action option is turned on. Tap on it, enter the settings, scroll down, tap on this camera, and you will see there are a bunch of things and functions you can perform with your S Pen, and not just that. You can customize every action by tapping on it. For example, if you press and hold on this button, this will automatically open your camera. After that, if you press and release once on this button, it will take photos for you. Double press will interchange between the front and the back camera. One press will also take videos for you, and another will stop recording. Now, along with a lot of functions, you can also zoom in and zoom out with your pen. Now, in the middle of shooting, if you want to change the options that you can perform with your button function or gesture, you can just go ahead, tap on this pen, and the same settings will appear on your screen. You can change it right from there. So that's how you can use your S Pen to control camera. Thanks for watching.